Welcome to Meditation Eye, your sanctuary for mindfulness and meditation. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join our community. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the world of meditation with our first video in the Beginner's Guide Meditation 101 series. Meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to promote relaxation, focus, and self-awareness. It's a journey of the mind, a way to connect with your inner self and find peace in the present moment. But what exactly is meditation? In mindfulness meditation, we're learning how to pay attention to the breath as it goes in and out, and notice when the mind wanders from this task. This practice of returning to the breath builds the muscles of attention and mindfulness. When we meditate, we inject far-reaching and long-lasting benefits into our lives. We lower our stress levels, we get to know our pain, we connect better, we improve our focus, and we're kinder to ourselves. Let's delve deeper into each of these benefits. Firstly, meditation helps us lower our stress levels. In today's fast-paced world, stress is a common problem that can lead to a host of health issues. By focusing on our breath and allowing our thoughts to come and go without judgment, we can achieve a state of relaxation that counteracts the effects of stress. Secondly, meditation allows us to get to know our pain. Physical or emotional pain can be overwhelming, but meditation teaches us to observe our pain without judgment. This doesn't mean the pain will disappear, but we can change our relationship with it. Thirdly, meditation helps us connect better. By practicing mindfulness, we become more present in our interactions with others. This can lead to deeper and more meaningful connections. Fourthly, meditation improves our focus. In a world full of distractions, maintaining focus can be challenging. Meditation trains our mind to focus on one thing at a time, improving our concentration and productivity. Lastly, meditation teaches us to be kinder to ourselves. Often, we are our own harshest critics. Through meditation, we learn to treat ourselves with the same kindness and understanding we extend to others. Now, let's talk about how to meditate. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit. You can sit in a chair with your feet on the floor, you can sit loosely cross-legged, or you can kneel. Just make sure you are stable and in a position you can stay in for a while. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Feel the air filling your lungs, and then slowly exhale. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as it goes in and out. This is the essence of mindfulness meditation. Inevitably, your attention will leave the breath and wander to other places. When you notice that your mind has wandered, simply return your attention to the breath. Be kind to your wandering mind. Don't judge yourself or obsess over the content of the thoughts you find yourself lost in. Just come back. Meditation is a practice, and like any practice, it takes time to get comfortable. So be patient with yourself. Remember, the goal is not to clear your mind of thoughts, but to notice them without judgment. Thank you for joining us today on this journey into meditation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear about your experiences as you begin your meditation journey. As you continue to practice, you may notice changes in your daily life. You might find yourself reacting more calmly to stressful situations, feeling more connected to the people around you, or noticing a greater sense of inner peace. Remember, these changes may be subtle and gradual, but they are a sign that your meditation practice is having a positive impact on your life. In our upcoming videos, we'll delve deeper into the different types of meditation, explore common challenges that beginners face and how to overcome them, and provide tips for developing a consistent meditation practice. We'll also share guided meditations to help you practice and explore different techniques. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your mental health, enhance your focus, or simply find a sense of peace and tranquility, meditation can be a powerful tool. It's a journey of self-discovery, a practice of turning inward and tuning into your own mind and body. So, we invite you to join us on this journey. Whether you have a few minutes or an hour, whether you're at home or on the go, you can practice meditation. It's a simple practice, but its effects can be profound. Stay tuned for more videos in our Beginner's Guide, Meditation 101 Feet series. Until next time, keep breathing, stay mindful, and remember to like, share, and comment on this video. Your support helps us continue to provide these resources and reach more people with the transformative power of meditation.